we look at the same HTML example. Now we have this untitled.html file that we could open in Google Chrome. Now I'm trying to edit this file. I can edit it through text edit if I want to edit as a code. Okay, so you could see the HTML code here. But what happens if I try to open the same file in Microsoft Word? Okay, so it opened. Now it opened in Microsoft Word, but Microsoft by default applies a font to it. Now in the world of programming, code doesn't has any font. Now a HTML file was opened by Microsoft Word, but generally when you write something in Microsoft Word, the whole purpose of using Microsoft Word is to have some content formatted. So if see this itself, or this, or you can also have a margin, all this margin, all that. So if you look at it, when you save this file, you can't save it as HTML. So see, I tried to do a command S, so it's saved in some other folder. So this is what Microsoft Word uses. So it's a bit complicated. Now I try to open this file again in Visual Studio Code. See, it's a whole bunch of information, but you don't see all that here, right? You don't see all that here. Now this information is something that you didn't write. This is something that by default Microsoft Word has applied to it. You can't code with Microsoft Word. That's the end of it. So the whole purpose of using an application or editor like Microsoft Word, Excel is different from the IDE, the code editor. So Microsoft Word is for having a proper document, with proper fonts, indentation, all that. So Microsoft Excel, so you will use Microsoft Excel to do accounts, do calculations, have like save your data, like your numerical data, you have any sales data or statistical data, all that you have it. You use PowerPoint to do a presentation. So these are all different editors for different purpose, but the IDEs, the integrated development environment, the IDEs has one purpose, and it is to code. So popular IDE that we're going to see is Visual Studio Code, but still Notepad, text edit, all those are, these are all IDs too. So the text edit, right? So we'll look at the text edit now. The text edit has settings. So here you have a rich text and a plain text. So when you do a rich text, it will also save with font and other information that is required to present a document. When you do plain text, it will just have the alphabets, numbers, and the special characters. It won't save any font information and all that. So that is the difference between a IDE and other editors like Microsoft Word or